What do you mean by good? Who do you call good? We usually say that if we keep on studying and more studying, it is good. But is it good at actual? So, do you know thousands of people in the world who have studied hard and actually got the degree, but still they are unemployed? And do you know those people as well who have not studied so much or even haven't studied at all, and still they are earning 10 times more money than them? Now the question arises that you believe this, but why? Because your conditioning has been like this since childhood. Since you were born and you have started to understood a little bit what words are moving in your mind from morning to night. Study, study, study. Completed the school, college and did PhD and don't know what else. Then they are sitting idle and wondering what to do. Have you seen them or not? Yes, there is also a possibility that some people getting graduated from top institutions and immediately got a job. But to how many people do this happen? This happens to only couple of people out of millions. And this is also not important that only students who study hard gets the opportunity. True or not? A lot of other factors are also playing there. What I am trying to say is that this is not necessary that you study a lot and you will be able to succeed, and others who are not studying so much will not be able to succeed. So what is addiction in actual? Ask this question to yourself. Addiction is to take hold of whatever is your beliefs and get stuck in whatever your habits are. This is addiction. There are two types of addiction. First is our habits. From where we are getting pleasure, we get used to that thing. No matter how bad this is and hollowing us from inside. And now we cannot leave that because we have become habitual of them. And second is our beliefs. Since childhood, it has been installed in our minds that it is good to read. We have caught this belief that reading only gives success. The life of person who have studied is successful, and the life of person who have not studied is kind of ruined. And now the belief have become, and now according to this belief, we have started acting. Any addiction is bad if you are acting in life without thinking. Doesn't it happen that something is fed into the terrorist's mind that this is correct and he is acting according to that? It is correct for him and for those people as well who are teaching him all this, and he is never questioning. Just like that, use your mind a little bit. It is not that you act according to what is fed inside your brain. Then you are addicted. Addicted to what? Your beliefs, which have been fed inside of you, knowingly or unknowingly. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. If I have to change something in the education system, then I would suggest that the number of periods should be equal to that of theory and activity. If the child who did not play in his childhood, then what is left in his life? He is studying, and studying means he is feeding all the information in his mind. Is there a lack of information in this whole world? We can search anything at any time from Google. Then what is the need of feeding all the information inside our mind? Okay, then what will happen after feeding the information? We will get money. There are not other ways of making money. And what is there now? That your beliefs have been made. That in order for you to make money, or you want to do something on your own base, you need a lot of money. So you are finished even before you start. So who is finishing you? Your own beliefs. True or not? If you start to think that I have to do something different from the education system. This is not the only way. There is not just one way to go anywhere in the world. There are thousands of millions of routes. As soon as you start thinking of anything else, your beliefs will interrupt you. So you are addicted to that beliefs. Whatever your beliefs are, or whatever patterns are in your life, whether physical or psychological, just put a big question mark on all your patterns. This is the beginning of intelligence, whether so-called good or bad. It is possible that which may be feeling good to you, it may ruin your life later. And it is possible that also which may be feeling bad to you right now, it may be the key to unlock the whole new world of success and happiness. It is possible that whatever you are thinking is difficult, it may not be at all. So start finding your answers, and whatever we try to find something, we definitely get it. This is the biggest secret of the life. Those who have did something big in their life, there is no in their dictionary. Everything I am thinking has its way. Maybe even good things can come out of evil. If you are learning from your past experiences, then even the worst from worst is also good. But in case if you are not learning from your past experiences, then even the good from good is also bad. Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of mind to think. Thank you.